What's up? What's up? It's Acid Tone. We back in Ableton, sorta.
Acid, you so hard.
So we back in Ableton for mastering only. I'm doing a chill tape, a lo-fi beat tape that's gonna be real chill, something you can play in the background, something real melodic and low BPM based. I didn't make in Ableton. I made this in Garageband. So Garageband has better sounds in Ableton that I believe. It doesn't necessarily have better drums, but you can download drums that's kind of similar to what you would use and download from whatever site you be using. I used different packs of sounds from different packs that was downloaded from the 808 something or another. I can't remember the name, but it's dope. So it's gonna have like 5 to 8 tracks, probably like somewhere close to like 5 to 6. Something real short, but also something real melodic and you could play back numerous times. And that's what I was shooting for. I was shooting for something like chill, you can play in the background, nothing too long. So this is gonna be released on all platforms. So I did everything like the drums, the instruments, all that was done on GarageBand. The only thing that I'm gonna be doing that I haven't done yet is mastering this. So mastering this will be done in Ableton. All the After Effects like the tape effect and stuff, I'm just gonna add that on my tag, of course, post after everything else. I just wanted this everything to sound real cohesive and really sound like a tape and a completed project. That's really what the goal is. Now the vibes of this tape is going to be like obviously chill, but it's going to be more lo-fi, boom bap. It's not going to be what I normally make as far as trap or whatever you want to classify my genre that I make. It's going to be more laid back and more chill.